Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and welcome back to our channel. I had started this video and then I got interrupted and I do apologize. I will probably be everywhere because I lost concentration. I'm trying to get back on it. So this is a project share. Some of the items I've already shown, and this is for Gloria Rodriguez. She asked me and a few other ladies to be guest designers for her design team. She came out with the digital, and I just wanted to show you what I had already created. And like I said, I'm going to be sending this out to a crafty friend. I totally missed her challenge. She had a birthday challenge, and I just somehow I don't know. I don't remember seeing a video or anything, but I have been seeing that she's been posting entries, and I'm like, OMG. So these are just the items I will be sending her. Hopefully my computer doesn't start playing again. It did that earlier. So as if you guys have already seen this, here it is, and I just added some stuff in here that she was asking for. This is one of the envelopes that I already had. I just went ahead and added a few other items onto it. I did do this twine, and I did oh my goodness, this cute little, oh my goodness, that thing that you see right there. Oh my goodness. Sorry you guys. Once I lose concentration and I'm so focused and then I lose concentration, it totally takes me off and just it takes me a long time to go back and get back to it. So I do apologize. And then here is the other one. I believe I added some stuff on there, but yeah. So that one was there. And here is the one with the butterflies. Might put some bling around, but I might also leave it as is because if the person that I'm sending to, she might want to alter it a different way. That's fine. Totally fine. I did do bag toppers for this right here. So isn't that cute? So I went ahead and did that. And then I am also sending some bows, and I went ahead and just packed it up with this. And you can't really see, but that's what it is. And that's basically it, you guys. So I just wanted to show you guys one last time. I will link Gloria Rodriguez down on the description below. You guys, I will link her YouTube channel and her coffee shop. You guys, if you guys buy any of these digitals, you guys, she is if you tag, like, say you buy her digital, you make something and you tag her, she will be entering you for future giveaways. So just be aware of that. And yeah, anyways, so just make sure you tag her if you do buy her digital and show it off. And I just wanted to appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.